In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your mailbox from Microsoft Outlook. This process is essential if you want to back up your emails or simply need a copy for your records. So let's dive in and make sure this is as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Microsoft Outlook. It can be accessed through your web browser or directly from your desktop application, depending on what you prefer to use. If you're logging in through your browser, make sure you're entering the correct credentials for your Microsoft account so that you gain access to all your emails and related settings. Once you're inside Outlook, the next step involves heading over to the Settings menu. To locate this, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the interface, where you should see a gear icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to customizing the way Outlook behaves and how you interact with your emails. From this drop-down, you'll want to select the General option. This section covers a variety of foundational settings that dictate how Outlook operates. Upon selecting General, you'll be presented with several options. What you need to do is find and click on Privacy and Data. This is a crucial part of the process because exporting your mailbox falls under this category, ensuring your data is handled correctly and securely. Now that you're in the Privacy and Data section, look for an area labeled Export Mailbox. This is where you'll initiate the process of exporting your emails. Click on the Export Mailbox button. It's important to note that if you encounter any issues, or if the button isn't clickable, there might be restrictions or permission settings affecting your ability to export. In most cases, though, it should be straightforward. If all goes well, the export process will begin, and it might take some time depending on the size of your mailbox. Remember to stay patient during this part, especially if you have a large volume of emails to export. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the export of your mailbox from Microsoft Outlook. This copy of your emails will serve as an excellent backup or a reference point when you need past correspondence. Make sure to store your exported emails securely and periodically check if new emails need to be exported to keep your records up to date. If you followed along with these steps, you should now have a solid understanding of how to export your Outlook mailbox efficiently. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.